Hi, everybody. I just wanted to go over something real quick about the Schoology course and navigating it. So, some people had some trouble yesterday with knowing what exactly to work on. So, I kind of wanted to just show you that here. So, this is our Schoology course. If you go into the Marking Period 1 folder, the Assignments folder is going to have all of the stuff that we can work on. And then the part that says week of September 7th, for example, that's this week, that's always going to be on top. Notice how I have those folders both colored in red as well. All the other folders, the past folders, they're going to be in blue. They're going to be down below it. We don't really need that. And then, of course, you have the Marking Period 1 grade sheet. So anytime you need to reference something that we've done in the past in ELA, you can do it down here. The week of folder just sort of contains all of our instructions for the day. Okay. So right now it's Wednesday. You see my Thursday folder's not open, so I'll just go into Wednesday, for example. So when I go into Wednesday, I'll see the lesson overview. The lesson overview just sort of goes over, hey, here are the objectives for today. There's reading independently for at least 10 minutes. Want to include that in everyday VLA. And then, of course, we're, working on stuff and understanding the expectations for Workshop Wednesdays. So if you need it, every Wednesday I'm going to have a video, that same intro video that sort of goes over like, here's how to do things on a Wednesday. But the main thing, I know what you accomplished, because again, some of us are learning in school, some of us are learning distance. The main way I know what you worked on is the lesson checkpoint here. Now you can see here as a teacher, I can see everybody, but yours will look a little bit different. Yours will just have the questions, okay? And you'll have the red button that says Start New Attempt. There's only ever going to be one question on a Workshop Wednesday, and that is, what did you work on? And this is where you're just telling me, like, here's what I worked on. You don't have to finish an entire assignment during a Workshop Wednesday. I'm not expecting you to, but you can work on a lot of different things. So we have right now some assignments like the Word Nerd words, that document, your 5 words that you're responsible for, you can work on those. We also have the Signpost Journal. I gave that assignment yesterday, where you're to read the excerpt from Hatchet, find a signpost on it. I'll be posting another video on that soon here, where maybe I can go over some things with you. And then submitting that Signpost Journal. And then there's also the, just working on reading your book and finishing it so you can do the 1-page book review. Right now, those are the 3 main things we have going on. There will be more later, but I want to give you the opportunity to be able to sort of choose what you want to work on and to get it taken care of. So if we go back into our course, well, let's just go back to the very, very beginning. We're here in the Marking Period 1 folder. Go to the Assignments folder. This is where you're going to see the different activities. We're going to see the Signpost journals and all the stuff that you need for those. Those are in here. Anytime we do in-class reading, which will be starting soon, those excerpts, those PDFs will all be stored here. The Word Nerd 100 assignment is saved in here, and then I also have some resources down at the bottom of the class. There we go. And those resources are, links to dictionaries, dictionary.com, vocab.com. There's a visual dictionary, and thesaurus visual, where you can use all this to look it up. You can also just use Google. That's fine too. But I want to be sure you understand how to access these assignments, because again, I had some people emailing me. I just saw some people had some issues accessing stuff. So please, if you're ever not sure, send me an email, ask a teacher. If they don't know, they'll find out for you. But those are the expectations during a Workshop Wednesday, is that you're working on and making progress on assignments. As we get closer to the end of the first marking period, you do not want to be in a situation where we have a week or 2 to go and you still have to do like a whole marking period's worth of work. So please make sure you're staying on top of that and you're using the time that I give you wisely. And if you ever have any questions or need help, please reach out. All right? Thanks.